This video is going to show you how to clean your fridge. To clean your fridge, you will need 2 cloths or paper towel, water, and some dishwashing liquid soap. First, take everything out of the fridge. Next, wet your cloth with cold water from the tap. Then, add some soap to the cloth. Now, wipe every surface in the fridge with a wet cloth. Wipe the shelves, inside the drawers, and inside the doors. Next, use a dry cloth or some paper towel to wipe the fridge dry. You can also check for expired food. Throw away any food that is past its best before date. Your fridge is now clean. Put everything back in the fridge. For more practice, follow the Cleaning the Fridge card deck in the MagnusCards mobile app.